So then we talked about the signals, common data types in observability. And when you talked about the signals, I wasn't familiar with 3 of them, but you put in a surprise 4th one.
Yeah. So a lot of people are familiar, especially with logging. Logging is something that we're all very used to creating. Everyone's first program is a hello world program where you write that string to the terminal. And really what that is it's a very much a basic log statement. But logging gets much more complex than that. It can add a lot of metadata inside of the log with structured logs, different formats like JSON or things like that. Really, metrics can be almost about anything, but the really key thing about metrics is that they're tagged with a timestamp. So it's about something that happened at a specific time, and it has some sort of numerical value. And then we also add a lot of labels to those metrics, and the labels help us differentiate one measurement versus another measurement. And then we talked about traces. Traces is tracking an event that goes through a system that can be within an application or it can be across multiple applications. It's tracking through a system. And then profiles. Profiles was the new one that I introduced. Profiles is gaining a lot of steam within the observability space. It's being added to observability system as kind of a core observability telemetry type. And profiles are very similar to traces where they track something happening through a process, but it's less about like this happened, this happened, this happened. It's more about through all of those different pathways, what was the performance of that? And we're looking specifically not for failures, but for like performance bottlenecks.